Hey guys, Xfer Sonance here, back to another video. In this video, we'll be making a Major Lazer style or tropical style lead, so the final result will sound like this. So if you want a preset right away, make sure to check Future Pop Volume 1. In that pack, you will get 50 more other presets in the style of Major Lazer, tropical house and future bass. So now let's dive into the preset. It sounds like this. So selecting the preset, we're gonna use a pan flute wavetable. I sampled it out of a pan flute, so it sounds quite organic. Write F1 to the wavetable and leave like this. Then go to the noise, and we're gonna add the same pan flute sample, sounding like this. So now let's shape envelope 1, a little bit less sustain, and some more release. Around here sounds fine. So now mono legato, always, and portamento. Just make the lead slide a bit more. And then we're gonna enable the filter. It's the reverb filter. This will give a kinda odd effect to it. Drive quite high, same as the damp. And some resonance. And put a mix like 40%. As you can hear, this will get some more character to the sounds. So now let's dive into the effects. First of all, hyperdimension. We're only gonna use the dimension part. Then some distortion, some downsample. To add some more highs to the sound. Just a tiny bit of mix, so you can barely hear it. Then some chorus. To open up the sound a bit more, some OTT to make it a bit louder, to around here. Then we have quite some lows in the sound, so let's cut it off and write envelope 2 to the gain. Then we need to shape envelope 1 a bit more. So sustain down and some more release. And to finish up the sound, we're gonna add some reverb and delay. So give a low cut, mix around here, and some delay before the reverb. So it's like ping pong, just like this. And there you have your Major Lazer style tropical lead. So the preset sound like this. So if you liked the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.